The AI Poem Generator AI Review. 7 crucial things you need to know. This brand new AI tool promises to change the way you generate poetry, and you'll want to stick around to learn why it's making waves in the digital space. But before we dive in, you can try this software completely free using the first link in the description below. Let's get right to it. First, this AI Poem Generator is designed to create original poems based on just a few simple inputs from you. You can choose themes, style, and even tone, and the software delivers a fully written poem that sounds like it came straight from a poet's mind. And it's not just about rhyming words together. This tool captures the essence of poetic structure, ensuring that the poem feels natural and emotional, not robotic. One of the standout features of this AI Poem Generator is its versatility. It can generate poems in multiple genres, including free verse, haiku, sonnets, and more. This means no matter what type of poetry you prefer, this tool can handle it. Whether you're writing a birthday card, a love letter, or just experimenting with different poetic forms, this software has you covered. The software even allows you to adjust the complexity of the language, so you can generate simple poems for casual use or more sophisticated ones for professional purposes. Now, let's talk about customization. Unlike many AI tools that are locked into one method of operation, this poem generator allows you to tweak the tone, pace, and emotion of the poem. You can request a poem that's joyful, melancholic, humorous, or serious, and the AI adapts to match your mood. If you're a marketer or content creator, this customization is a goldmine. It allows you to generate content that's not only poetic, but aligned with your target audience's emotions. The ease of use is another reason this software stands out. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. In fact, it's so simple that anyone from beginners to seasoned writers can hop in and start generating poems in seconds. All you need is an idea or a few words, and the AI does the heavy lifting. It's perfect for those who want to add some poetic flair to their projects without spending hours crafting each verse. But what about the quality? Is this AI really able to craft poems that make an impact? The answer is a resounding yes. The generated poems feel remarkably authentic and engaging. With advanced natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, the AI isn't just stringing together random words. It's creating poems with depth, creativity, and rhythm. For marketers and content creators, this AI Poem Generator is a game changer. Imagine being able to create fresh, unique poetry for social media posts, ads, or campaigns in a fraction of the time it would normally take. Not only does this save you time, but it can also spark new ideas and help you connect with your audience in innovative ways. However, it's important to note that while the AI does an excellent job of generating creative content, it's not perfect. Occasionally, the poems may feel a little forced or lack the subtle nuances that a human poet would naturally include. But considering how far AI-generated content has come, this tool is one of the best options available for anyone looking to generate quality poetry quickly. Finally, if you're on the fence, here's a key takeaway. You can try the AI Poem Generator completely free by using the first link below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I found that this one offers some of the most creative, customizable, and user-friendly experiences out there. To wrap things up, the AI Poem Generator AI Review proves it's one of the best newly released AI software tools for creating poetry. With its versatility, ease of use, and customization options, it's a must-try for anyone looking to add a bit of poetic flair to their content. Be sure to check the link in the description to get started with your free trial today. And don't forget, I've linked my recommended AI tools below. After testing thousands, I've picked out the best ones for you.